Hi friends, I am Sajid. Welcome back to my channel SciTech. In this video, I'll be talking about the tips and tricks of the Poco X3 device in terms of the display. So there are so many hidden features which are present in terms of the display only in the Poco X3 device. So in this video, I'll try to demonstrate what are the options you do have. And in case if you are planning to buy the Poco X3 or if you already ordered the Poco X3, this video will be helping you a lot in terms of improving the video quality in the Poco X3 device. We all know that the Poco X3 has a IPS LCD panel and it's not that great when you compare with the AMOLED panel, but don't worry. So trust me friends, by using this option you can actually enhance the colors a lot better and you do have so much control over the colors in the Poco X3 device. So try to watch till end of the video to get to know what are the details I'll be covering in this video, and make sure to check the links in description for exactly what live wallpaper and what equalizer I'm using in this video, so you'll get to know more how to customize as well. So I'm planning to do that video in the future, so make sure to subscribe. So how to customize your Poco X3 using these wallpapers and different widgets. And also for more details about the Poco X3, try to check the playlist of the Poco X3 smartphone, so you can find so many interesting videos in this playlist of the Poco X3. So let's get started. So first we all go to the display and we'll be going to the color scheme only and thinking that there are only 3 different options to select the colors and to enhance the colors. So, but actually there is 2 more hidden features which is present in the Poco X3 smartphone. So by using that you can actually increase the colors a lot. So now let me try to go to the options, which is a special features. So once you are in that, you need to go to the video toolbox and go to the manage video apps. So here you need to add the list of video related applications, for example Netflix or Amazon or YouTube. So in this case, as an example, I have taken the MX player as an application, so which I'll be using to enhance the colors. So now let me try to open the video in the MX player. Right now I'm playing direct video from the MX player only. And let me try to show you what is the video toolbox option you do get. So if you enable this MX player as a video toolbox option, so then you get this kind of small bar on the top. So by using that, let me try to zoom in again. As you can see, the small bar. So when you swipe, you do get this kind of option called style. So in the style mode, you have the 5 different options you can select from. So one, the basic which will be coming with the normal original colors, and next you can select to increase the brightness, select the outdoor. So if you're watching the videos while you're traveling in the bus or train and under the sunlight or it's a lighting condition, then try to use the outdoor effect to get more brightness in the video. Next is the cinematic mode. As you can see, in the cinematic mode you do get very good saturated contrast colors while watching the movies. So definitely I prefer this kind of cinematic mode every time I watch any video songs in the Poco X3 smartphone. So not only that, you do have the retro mode as well. So it's not that great. It looks the video looks washed out little bit if you use this kind of mode. So I basically prefer to use either cinema or outdoor mode depending on the condition. And next is the black and white mode. The black and white mode is a kind of complete video you'll getting in the black and white, as you can see, which looks quite interesting, as you can see here. So these are the 5 different hidden features which is present where you can select from. So definitely once you buy the Poco X3, try to check this option, try to use this every day in your different applications as well. I'll try to demonstrate in-depth usage of this one, what are the different use case you can use these options. So this is the first hidden trick and hidden feature which is present in the Poco X3 smartphone. So next let me talk about the trick 2, so which is present in the security in the game turbo. The reason why I am saying in the game turbo, because in the game turbo there is a hidden feature which is advanced settings. So if you go to the advanced settings and select for example, let me try to select the PUBG game. So here you do have this kind of option, enhance visuals, as you can see here. So where you can actually increase so much of colors and so much of saturation levels. So this is next extreme level of customization of the visuals. So when I compare with the previous video toolbox, this is lot powerful. So you can actually feel so much of difference is going on when you compare with the normal and the extreme. Even right now in the video, you can easily notice how much difference it's there. So first, now you need to add the application or any other video player in the game turbo. So right now for the demonstration purpose, I did add the KM player, as you can see here. So this is a KM player which I have added here. And one more thing, not all the applications will be supported in the Game Turbo. For example, YouTube is not supported and MX Player is not supported. So you need to find the alternate applications which are supported in this Game Turbo mode. So now let me try to open the KM player. So once you open the KM player here, and even when you add any other application in the Game Turbo, you do get this kind of sidebar option. So now you need to tap the arrow mark and go to this option, as you can see. So beside this diagram, you can see this option in the box shape here. So just tap on that. So initially it will be in the normal colors so these with the original colors, as you can see. So now just tap once, saturated, you'll get the enhanced visual to saturated. Tap twice, you'll get the bright enhancement, as you can see here. Tap the third time, you'll get bright press saturated. So you can see actual difference as well in terms of the colors, as you can see here, friends. If you are noticed here, try to observe the plants only. As you can see, how much difference is there. This is extreme level customization while watching the videos. So definitely the videos will look kind of animated, but you need to keep in mind that if you want, you can decrease the different mode as well to maintain this kind of colors in the Poco X3. So finally, friends, these are the two major hidden tips and tricks which is present in the Poco X3 device. I'll come up with more interesting tips and tricks on this smartphone as well. So stay tuned by subscribing to my channel. So I'm trying to do in bit by bit, not in one single video, because in one single video it will take more than 20 to 30 minutes of explaining each and every trick, because I don't want to just say it. I actually want to explain in detail so that you can understand easily the importance of that kind of hidden trick as well in the Poco X3. So that's why I'm spending some time and I'm trying to figure out for each and every aspect of the Poco X3 device which is the best one and what are the different tips and tricks. So now we got to know more details about the display. So next time I'll try to concentrate in the camera. So next I'll try to include camera plus gallery, something like that. And make sure to follow me regularly for more interesting updates on the Poco X3 smartphone. So see you in the next video, friends. Until then, bye.